Your battery is obviously dead. What you can do to be able to give yourself your own boost until you can get a new battery. So if you have a NOCO and car booster in your car, you can just grab this, pop your hood, open your hood, you just put it up a little bit, pass your hand sideways like this to activate the latch. Yeah. This actually boosts all the way up to 1000 amp. That's it for a 12-volt battery. Are you still filming?
Yeah.
Just look at that for a second. If you're wondering what that noise was in the background, that was the Yarbo. The Yarbo actually moving his head up and down to try to clear the snow so it doesn't stay frozen like this. But that's for another video. Okay, so now we have 1000 amp here. You can keep those charged. Those are really cool. So there's the in port right here that use a micro USB to charge it, and there's another port right beside it, and that's a USB-A that you can use to charge your phone. The power button is on top here. It tells us how much battery power is in here, and there's also light to help us shine onto our work area. Now, the main thing to know about this is where you're going to see lots of complaint online, and this is going to be because people are going to say they're leaving it in their car and it's not working, it's dead, they cannot charge it back up. Well, the thing is, any lithium battery, you cannot leave it just in your car and don't do nothing and forget about it for years until you're ready. They're always going to deplete a little bit, lose a little bit of power over time. So every 2 to 3 months, you should plug it in and charge it up just to make sure, because if the battery level goes too down, and it won't let you charge it again. As long as you don't let it go like drain all the way, it'll let you charge it and you shouldn't have problem. I keep this on my truck all year long. I charge it up every few months, and it's been a few years now, never had an issue. Okay, so we're gonna shut this off right now, and then we're going to open our other port here, and then we're gonna connect our cable to it. So one side of the cable is square, the other one is circle. So you cannot hook this the wrong way, it won't work. So you don't have to worry about having it hook up backwards. Where you have to worry about it, but there's protection in there, so it won't let you boost your car anyway. But where you would have to worry is when you hook it up to your battery. Find out where your negative here is. On this car, negative is on this side. On this car, positive is on this side. If you're not sure about it, well, this wire here, you're always going to have a ground wire going right onto the ground of your car, onto the frame rail somewhere, or on the side around here where your shock absorbers are. And this is going to be your ground wire. So we're going to connect positive, ground. Now we can turn it on. When you are turning it on and it's connected properly, the light is going to go like this. Now it's boosting our car. So let's go see if we can press the button and start it. Let's press that button and see what happens. Sometimes it might not work right away, and this is not because there's an issue with this. Obviously the lights are still cycling on here, so it's still boosting your car. Sometimes if the battery is too low, your car battery is too low, it's going to take a couple minutes before you can try it and there's enough charge in there. so you can boost your car. So we just have to wait a minute or two and then try again. It's been about 1 minute. Let's try it again. There you go. As you can see, sometimes it's just about being a little bit patient. I waited a minute, started no problem. Now we're just gonna power it up and unclamp the battery. And yeah, we're good to go now. Now you can make your way to the dealership to get a new battery, or a Canton Tire, or a place that sells batteries anyway, and then you'll be good to go.